Hello there everyone and welcome back. So today guys we're going to be detailing all the door shuts. For this process we're going to use a few brushes, Built Hamburg's Surfax HD and Turl Wax Seal and Shine Spray Wax. These door shuts are by no means heavily soiled. They have been maintained at least twice a year, and this is more of a maintenance wash. So I'm using the 26 Japan. It's a very soft brush. I can access a lot of areas with it. However, to access the deeper areas, I'm using a Woolly, which is soft as well. Also, this long reach Viking brush I'm using for the plastic in the back. A pump spray is a great tool for rinsing these tight areas. It reduces water splatter all over the place. Now, the reason why I picked this product, Seal and Shine, it's quite durable. It can last up to 6 months, and also it can be used on wet surfaces or as a drying aid. Now, to avoid getting the chemical inside of the interior, I'm just gonna spray gently and use a cloth just to prevent it getting inside the interior. Now, in between the seals, you can either use a brush or also you can use a microfiber cloth to get in there and collect all the dirt in between the tight areas. There's not a lot of it, that's why I'm using the microfiber cloth. Now, as you can see, guys, I'm using a very methodical approach. I do everything section by section and it helps me to avoid the chemicals drying up on me, and also it helps me to avoid any kind of spillage on the interior. This area is quite clean. However, there is a little bit of petrol residue, and also there's a little bit of dirt. So the rear hatch is probably one of the most difficult areas to detail properly because you're gonna get spillage inside the interior unless you covered your interior. However, this one is not too bad. It's kind of clean, so I'm just using a quick detailer to give it a little wipe down. I'm not using a brush here even, to be honest, because it's that clean. So I'm just gonna give it a wipe down and leave it as it is. To make the door shots really pop, you can use a 3-in-1 polish and wax. Mine aren't too bad. I polished them prior. However, if your door shots are neglected or hazed up a little bit, you may use a 3-in-1 polish, and this will definitely improve the look of your door shuts. Now we're coming to the end of the video, guys. And what I want to say about the door shuts is that they need to be maintained regularly. However, you don't need to wash them every car wash. You may need to give them a wipe down now and then. But I think cleaning them at least twice a year, you can maintain them to a high standard. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.